Welcome to the Algebra Solver channel. Our next problem is to evaluate the expression bx plus z divided by y. And we are given here the values of x. Okay. X is 6. Z is -8 and y is 1/2. And remember, let's look at the structure of the expression. This is bx. Bx means b times x, and then there's an operation here, a plus sign, there's a z, and there's a division, and then there's a y. So how are we going to attack this problem? We're going to attack this problem by looking at the formula or the code word or our tip, the hierarchy of operations, PEMDAS. Parenthesis first, exponent, multiplication, division, and then addition. So in other words, in this case, multiplication, we have to do this one first, multiplication, and we have to do this one first, that is division. See, look at this, multiplication, and then this is division, and then addition, the next step, addition, we have to do this last. So this is our first step, second step, and then the third step. So it's very important to memorize this code, our mnemonic, our tip, so that you will not be confused whether, should you do the plus z, should you do this one first, bx plus z, all divided by y. You'll be confused if you don't use the PEMDAS. Let's proceed. Let's proceed now, and we're going to use parentheses to help avoid the confusion. So in this case, b is -5 times x, which is 6, plus z, which is -8 times, divided by y, which is 1/2. So we simplify. This is -5 times 6, that's 30. Since they have different signs, when you multiply factors of different signs, the resulting products would have a negative sign also. So that's -30. Let's use the parentheses, so not be confused. Plus, we have to solve 8 divided by 1/2, or 8 divided by 1/2 is 8 times 2. So this is actually -16. So now we are left with an addition of two numbers which have the same signs. Our rule for addition for two numbers which have the same signs is SS, same signs. You take the sum of the two numbers and you adopt the sign of the two numbers. They have the same sign, SS, SS. So to simplify, this becomes -46. That's 30 plus 16, and you take the sign of the numbers. So that's -46. 6. So to simplify or to summarize, bx plus z divided by y equals negative 46 if and only if, okay, this entire thing there, if and only if x equals 6, z equals negative 8, and y equals 1/2. Alright, so I hope you're not confused with that one. Alright, so we come up with our final solution. Bx plus z divided by y equals negative 46. Thank you, and see you in our next problem.